We're wasting time with Arrow Productions. We're reviewing Kids Ride Shotgun with special guest star Jackie.
Jackie.
Yeah, okay, there's Jackie.
She's about to grow out of it. She's
Okay.
4.5 years old.
4.5.
But it has adjustable legs.
Adjustable legs.
Toe strap.
A toe strap. Okay, so we'll look at the toe strap here. Okay.
Custom handlebars.
Oh, the handlebars. Yeah, we'll look at
handlebars.
those. Okay.
Just the right size for kids' hands.
Okay. Now we got the. Why don't you write it so we can see it?
Okay, here we go, Jackie.
Okay.
Actually gonna bring this.
Yeah, we're just going a little bit. Okay.
We can spin around and come back.
Okay. All right. So. Okay, that's great. Yes. Okay. All right. So. All right. So that's Kids Ride Shotgun. Anything to add, or shall we?
It's expanded our bike riding capabilities immensely.
Oh, okay.
Much better than a backseat bike.
Oh,
child
yeah,
carrier.
yeah. Okay.
For us, for our family.
All right. Thank you.